Hello students, we are doing chapter angles. Okay, and in this chapter we are doing the exercise 2 and I have explained till question number 7. So I am going to explain the next question number 8, 9, 10 and so on. Okay, so look the explanation of the question and write down in your copy with proper diagram if it requires. Okay, so open your book at page G13 and question number 8. First question of this one: the sum of two adjacent angle is 110 degree. If one of them is 40 less than the other, find the angle. Okay, so look here, the sum of two adjacent angles are given and it is also given that the first angle or one angle is 40 less than the other angle. So what we do, first we have to suppose the other angle be x. Since the first angle or the one angle is 40 less than the other angle, so therefore the first angle is equal to x minus 40 degree. It is clear? Now it is given that the sum of adjacent angle is equal to 110 degree. So according to question, both angles are the first angle and other angles are the adjacent angle and their sum should be equal to 110 degree, that it is given in the questions. Okay, so we add x plus x minus 40 is equal to 110 and simplify this equation and find the angles. Okay, so look here how we solve the question. Since sum of question number 8, the first part of this, since sum of two adjacent angle is equal to 110 degree. Since first or one angle is 40 degree less than the other. So therefore what we do, suppose or let the other angle is equal to x degree. So therefore one angle is equal to x minus 40 degree because the one angle is 40 degree less than the other angle. Okay, so these two angles are the adjacent angle and their sum is 110 degree. So therefore according to question, what we do, we have to add the questions. x minus 40 degree is equal to 110 degree. Now x plus x is equal to, we can write here the 2x minus 40 degree is equal to 110 degree. Now we transfer this 40 degree to that side, so their sign will get changed. It have a negative sign. When we transfer this one, then it become positive. So we write here the 2x is equal to 110 plus 40 degree and this is equal to 150 degree. So therefore x is equal to 150 divided by 2, then x is equal to 75 degree. So x is the other angles. It means that the other angle is 75 degree. So the one angle, so here we write, so therefore other angle is equal to 75 degree and one angle is equal to 75 minus 40 degree is equal to 35 degree, and this is the answer of the questions. Okay, write down this question in your copy. Now look, question number 9, the first part of this one. Two angles are the supplementary angle. If one of them is 1/3 of the other, then find the angle. So by definition of the supplementary angle, the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. So in this question, what we do, it is given that if one of them is 1/3 of the other, then find the angle. So in previous, like the previous question, we suppose here let the first other angle be x. Since one angle is 1/3 of the other, then the other one angle is equal to x by 3. So look here, since question number, stop. Okay, so look here, what we do, let the other angle is equal to x degree. Since one angle is 1/3 of the other, so therefore the first angle or the one angle is equal to x upon 3 degree. Okay, since both angles are the supplementary angle, since both angles are the supplementary angle, so therefore according to questions, x plus x by 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now we take the LCM of this one and simplify. Then 3 1 ja 3 means 3x and plus x by 3. So it gives 3x plus x upon 3 is equal to 180 degree. We transfer this 3 to this sides. Then this is the division. Then when we transfer, then it becomes multiplication. So 3x plus x is equal to 4x and 180 into 3. Then x is equal to 180 multiplied by 3 upon 4. Okay. So now we simplify this one. 4 4 ja 16 and 2 remain. Then we take 0. Then 4 5 ja 20. Now we multiply this one. Then 3 5 ja 15, carry 1, and 3 4 ja 12 and 1 3, 135 degree. So here we get the value of x means the other angle, but we are going to find both angles. So therefore other angle is equal to 135 degree and one angle is equal to 1/3 of 135. Now simplify this one. 3 4 ja 12 and 3 5 ja 15. So it gives 45 degree, and this is the answer of the questions. Okay, so write down this question in your copy. Now question number 10, the second part of this question number 10. Two angles are the complementary angle. The larger one is 50 degree less than 3 times the smaller one. Then find the angle. Okay, so here the larger angle depend on the smaller one. Then what we do, suppose the smaller angle be x, and after that we find the larger angle and find the relation. A relation is that both angles are the complementary angle. By definition, if the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, then both angles are said to be the complementary angles. Okay, so we are going to solve the question number 10, second part of this one. Let the smaller angle be, let the smaller angle be x degree. Okay, smaller angle be x degree. Since the larger angle is 50 degree, larger angle is 50 degree less than 3 times the smaller angle. Okay, the larger angle is 50 degree less than 3 times the smaller angle. So therefore, larger angle is equal to 3x minus 50 degree. So therefore, the larger angle is equal to 3x minus 50 degree. Okay, because the condition it is given that the larger angle is 50 degree less than 3 times the smaller angle. Okay, so now both angles are the complementary angle. Okay, so their sum should be equal to 90 degree. So x plus 3x minus 50 is equal to 90 degree, and 3x plus x is equal to 4x is equal to 90 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 140 degree, and 4x is equal to 140. So therefore x is equal to 140 divided by 4. So therefore x is equal to 35 degree. Now this is our smaller angle. So we are going to find the larger one. So smaller angle is 35 degree and the larger angle is 3 times. So 3 into 35 minus 50 degree. When we simplify this one, it is 105 minus 50 is equal to 55 degree. So our larger angle is 55 degree and smaller angle is 35 degree. Okay, so like this we solve the questions. Okay, write down this question in your copy and solve the rest question whatever I have left in the exercise. Okay, thank you.